Once upon a time, in the jungle, there lived a monkey named Bablu and an elephant named Jumbo. Bablu was known for his greed and selfishness, always wanting more bananas than he needed. Jumbo was known for her always willing to share his food with others. One day, Jumbo found a banana tree full of ripe, juicy bananas and decided to keep them all for himself. He climbed up the tree, plucked all the bananas, and hid them in a secret spot. Jumbo, on the other hand, found a smaller banana tree with only few bananas left. He took what he needed and left the rest for her friends. As day passed, a terrible drought hit the jungle and food became scarce. The animals were hungry and desperate for food. Seeing this, Seeing this, Jumbo decided to share this. Seeing this, Jumbo decided to share his bananas with everyone, even though he had very little left. He called out. He called out Jumbo. He called out Bablu, offering him some of his bananas. But Bablu refused, saying he had more than enough. But soon, Jumbo, but soon Bablu's sacred stash of banana began to rot, and he had nothing left to eat. He, he then realized his mistake, and being so, he then realized his mistake being so greedy. He went to Jumbo, apologizing for his behavior and asking him for forgiveness. Jumbo, being the kind soul he was, forgave Bablu and shared her remaining bananas with him. From that day on, Bablu learned the value of humanity. From that day on, Bablu learned the value of cooperation. Thanks to Jumbo kindness, the two became a good friends. The two became good friends, with Jumbo helping Bablu gather food and Jumbo teaching Bablu the importance of sharing and caring for others, and so on. The monkey and the elephant lived happily ever after, spreading love and kindness throughout the jungle, teaching everyone the importance of cooperation,